A very good morning, student. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about the unit 18. The lesson topic is heredity. Okay, here heredity lesson, they are totally contained in 9 pages, that is started from the 261 and ended in the 270. Okay, first thing, heredity. This is your lesson topic, right? Just let me know that what is the meaning of heredity. Here, heredity, which mean a carrying of a character from one generation to another generation. ஒரு generation இருந்து character just they are carry from the next generation. For an example, they carry of character from your parent to yours. ஓகேவா, உங்களுக்கு parent கிட்ட இருந்து உங்களுக்கு கேரி ஆகுது. Some characters carry ஆகும் இல்லையா? In that form of a genetically transformation. எப்படி transfer ஆகுதா? In that form of a genetically transformation. So that is the meaning of heredity. Carrying of character from one generation to another generation in that genetically. So that is the meaning of what? Heredity. First, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the what are the topics are comes under this lesson, and then we know that what are the important keywords and then definition for that also. Okay, first thing, let me know that what are the topics are comes under this lesson. Let me move a topic one by one. Here the first topic in this lesson is introduction. Okay, first thing, introduction, as usual what they are given, what is mean by heredity, what are the things important for the heredity, as usual they are given the introduction part. And next one, a topic is Gregor Johann Mendel, a father of genetics. Here genetics, what is mean by genetics? A branch of biology deals with the genes. We already say that in heredity, which mean a carry of information from one generation to another generation in that genetically sonoma. So here who is the father of a genetic? Gregor Johann Mendel. Okay, and next topic is monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene. Okay, here a mono nale, that is a single. Monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene. ஒரே ஒரு ஜீனை வச்சு how they are do the hybrid cross. And next one, a dihybrid cross inheritance of two genes and laws of independent assortment. What they are given? Dihybrid, which mean two hybrid cross, two genes, two set of genes in the independent assortment, how they are produced in the finally. Okay, and next one is Mendel's law. The law, one of kind of an law, I will explain laterly. And next one is a chromosome and DNA and gene. This is the next topic. What is the next one? Chromosome, DNA and gene. And next topic is a structure of DNA. What is the next one? A structure of DNA. Here last one is a sex determination. So these are all the total topics are present in that lesson. That is the heredity lesson. First one is the, let me recall it once again. First one is introduction, and next one is Gregor Johann Mendel, a father of genetics, and next one is monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene, and next one is dihybrid cross inheritance of two gene and laws of independent assortment. And next one is the Mendel's law. Okay, here a Mendel's a scientist, a given a law about the heredity. Okay, and next one, chromosome, a DNA and gene. What is a chromosome? What is a DNA? What is gene? We are we will see that relatively for the detailed explanation of a chromosome, DNA and gene. And next one, a structure of DNA structure, double helix and structure சொல்லிருக்கோமா? Double, which mean two stand, helix na எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒன்னு bind பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? And next one, sex determination, how they are determine the sex of a baby, that is a what? Sex determination. Okay, let me move the next one. What I say to you, what are the D words are present in that and what is the meaning for that. Let me know that what are the D words are present in this lesson in that topic wise. First one, introduction. Let me know the introduction topic of D words. Here the first topic in this lesson is introduction, right? In this introduction part, they are totally contained two important words. The first one is the genetics and next one is the heredity. Okay, just I have to repeat it once again. What is the first one? Genetics, and next one is the heredity. Let me know that what is the meaning for a genetics and what is the meaning for a heredity. The first thing, a genetics, right? Here a genetics is the branch of what? Biology, right? It deals with the genes, genetic variations and heredity of what? A living organism is called of what ma? Genetics. Just have to say now once again, what is meaning of genetics? A branch of biology. Biology oda oru branch da enadhu? Genetics. Here the genetics are deals with the genes. What is a meaning of a gene? A gene they are just carry from the parent. Parent kitta irundhu just they are carry. For an example, just have to see here. Here they are this is the what? A male, and here fused with the female. That is the sperm and egg, they are fused together to form a zygote, right? Maybe a male is a tall in nature or female is a they are kind of lengthy hair, so they are carrying off on a two character. So baby are kind of both character, they are grown as a tall baby and lengthy hair also. Here they are carrying off what? Genetics, genes oda character carry பண்ணுது both a parent. Okay va? Male kitta irundhu female kitta irundhu, that is the father and mother kitta irundhu just they are carry the character, tall character and lengthy hair. So this is the what ma? It deals with the genes, genetic variations. Some genetics like some variations also they are happen, and heredity of living organism is called what? Genetics. That is the meaning of genetics. What is the genetic? Genetics is the branch of biology. It deals with the gene deals பண்ணது. Okay va? Genetic variations. Some of the character may be vary. இப்போ parent வந்து ஷார்ட்டா இருந்தனாக்கா their children's also parentல ஒரு male or female their recessive character, a dominant character will be expressed to that. So genetic variations கொண்டு வரும். And heredity of a living organism. எதுல heredity என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கோம்? characterல some variations கொண்டு வரும் of living organism is called what? Genetics. So that's it for genetics. We move on next one. What is the next one? We are having that a second important word is heredity, right? So this is the what ma? Heredity. Heredity is the what? A transformation of character from one generation to next generation. We already say that a meaning of an heredity also. Heredity is a what? A transformation. Just they are transferring of a character from one generation. ஒரு generation கிட்ட இருந்து parent generation கிட்ட இருந்து offspring உடைய generationக்கு carry ஆகும். Okay, so that is the meaning of heredity. So introduction part they are contain two important words, genetics and heredity. So that's it for genetics and heredity. I hope you have to understand to that. We'll be more next one, and next topic in this lesson is Greger-Jahan Mendel, father of genetics. Let me move that. Yes, here the next topic we are having Greger-Jahan Mendel and father of genetics. Greger-Jahan Mendel, is that a father of genetics? The name for that, a father of genetics, we already say that what is the genetics? A carry of information from one generation to another generation. We say here Greger-Jahan is there, no? He done some of the experiment to the plant to producing a new varieties. Okay, for that reason they are said a father of genetics. Here they are contained two words. The first one is the breeding and second one is the bisexual. What is the first one? Breeding, and what is the second one? Bisexual. There will be more the first one, breeding. Here breeding, which mean a mating and a production. Mating nale, which mean their reproduction stage, the sexual stage. Okay, there is a mating and a production of what they are production here. Once they get in a sexual mating, they are producing an offspring. Okay, by animals, and not only animals and plants also, they are producing an offspring at the time of a reproduction, right? So that is the meaning of breeding And next one is a bisexual. Here a bi which mean what? A two. Okay, bisexual which mean involvement of two sexual gonads. Two sexual gametes is involvement in the reproduction, that is the bisexual. We know that what is it, a bisexual? Both male and female reproductive structures are present in a single flowers. Okay, both male and female reproductive structure are present in the single plant, that is the flowers. And not only a flowers, some of the animals also, they are in a hermaphrodites in nature. We already discussed about that. Leech, they are hermaphrodite na. What is a hermaphrodite? Both male and female reproductive system are present in a single animal, that is the what? Hermaphrodite. So animals also, they are considered bisexual. So this is the what meaning of bisexual. So that's it for a breeding and bisexual. Okay, let me move on next one and next topic in this lesson.